Hi, this is Raj from MR Sports Cars. Here I've got an absolutely amazing Porsche 911 Carrera S Coupe. It's a 991 Gen 1. It's a 2012 model year, and it is without a doubt the highest spec 991 I've ever come across. Carrera S. It's finished in Basalt Black. It's got just under £30,000 worth of options, factory options on this car. Some of them you'll spot immediately. Can spot those beautiful speed yellow calipers there. That denotes that this car has got the optional PCCBs, so Porsche composite ceramic brakes, and they're in absolutely fantastic condition. The wheels are the Carrera S 20-inch wheels. We've had those fully refurbished in agate grey, or Satin Platinum as it's known as well, and they look absolutely sensational. It's got matching Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss, all N-rated as well. It's got the optional PDLS, so Porsche Dynamic Lighting System, so dynamic cornering lights. So this bezel is on a motor, it rotates, and they're the black edition version, so they've got the black rim around the edge, they've got all the black trim here rather than grey and chrome, so they really suit the black exterior look of this car. It's got the folding mirrors as well. It's got the metal sunroof as well, so you can have an extra bit of ventilation and cabin light when you're driving. It works on a tilt and also on the slide there, you can see. It's got the switchable sports exhaust. It's got the red LED tail lights as well. It's got tyre pressure monitoring, and because we've had them refurbished, they've had all new valves on those as well. So as you can see, the discs and pads are in fantastic condition. Let me try and get a bit closer so you can see. But those have got phenomenal stopping power. Great for the road actually. The PCCBs are actually really suited for road use. Has the auto dimming mirrors and the auto wipers as well. Now it has an aftermarket dash cam system which is in the car. You can remove it if you want to, but basically that comes with the car. I think it just needs a memory card in it to get it working. The last owner just took his memory card out. Now on the inside, this is where all the phenomenal options carry on. So it's got the special order two-tone platinum grey and black extended leather with silver stitching. And as you can see, that makes it a lovely light interior. So the roof lining is black Alcantara, the top of the dash and the doors, and that continues into the back, is all that lovely black. And then it's got the platinum grey seats, carpet, the mats are the black as well. And I think that makes it look really, really special, really elevates the quality and look of the car, having that two-tone option, that special order two-tone. It's got the highest spec seats you could get, which is the 18-way adaptive hardback sport seat. So it has lumbar support, it has the knee support which moves in and out, and then it has adjustable bolsters, as well as everything else being fully electric, and memory on the driver's side seat. The electric steering column is also on memory, so that's the other option that comes with that package, and the mirrors are also on memory as well as being folding, as I mentioned, with the welcome LEDs. Now the seats also, you can have it set to comfort access, so when you turn the car off, the seat will move back and the steering column will move up to aid getting in and out, but you can disable that if you don't like that. And when you get back in with the key that you've got in with, it will return all those bits to those original settings. The adaptive hardback sport seats also have the hardback backs of them, and they're in great condition as well. And you can see they have larger bolsters than the non-sport seats plus. So these are the sport seats plus shape, so they've got bigger bolsters on the top and bottom. Rear seats are in great condition as well. That obviously all folds down. And there's the rear camera as well, so it's got that dash camera system that comes with it. It's got the seat heating as well, and then as you can see, I don't know if you've been watching that screen, it's got the full digital TV package, which was a very rare option. I've seen it on a Turbo S that we've recently sold, but other than that it's very rare. So it's got the full radio, and then it's got Bluetooth audio streaming as well, and then it's got the full digital TV, which works with Freeview in the UK. So you've got channels such as all the BBC channels, obviously, 5-star, all the Channel 4, E4, Film 4, the whole range of channels on there. And it will only work when you're stationary. It has Sport Chrono Package Plus, so it has that stopwatch and clock on the dashboard, and then it has the Sport Plus, switchable sport suspension, switchable sports exhaust, the spoiler up and down, start stop and traction control buttons, and obviously that sunroof there with all the controls there. Has a 7-speed PDK box, which is a great box for this car. It works in full auto, full manual, a combination of the two. You can use the optional sport design steering wheel to change the gears at any time. There's a down paddle there and an up paddle there to change gears. Has the 2-zone climate control as well, so you can set different temperatures to each side and just let it do its own thing with where it points the fans and also the speed of the fans. And then it has some other really nice features which you normally only find on Turbo S's. So it has the PDCC, so that's Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control. So it has active anti-roll bars, which really make this an epic car to drive through the corners, because it stiffens the wheels independently and just levels out the steering, levels out the body, so you basically eliminates body roll. It has PTV Plus as well, so it has the rear locking differential, which is another really nice option that not many cars have. So on the sports side, it's literally got everything, as well as all the luxury. So the other big luxury item on this car, which add to it having just under £30,000 worth of options, is the Burmester system. So that's I think it's 13 speakers. Let's have a look. I knew I was going to have to refer to my options list. So it has the Burmester, which is 12 speakers, 821 watts. That's over double the power, well, almost double the power of the Bose system in this car. So it sounds incredible. It sounds like you're there with whatever you're listening to. With the Bluetooth audio streaming, you can use Spotify, you can use podcasts, all through the car system. Now, as I said, it has those folding mirrors, which you can fold on locking automatically, or you can do it manually there. The seat memory's there. And as I said, it's got that beautiful Burmester system, so it's got all the speaker grills with that on it. The electric steering column, auto lights. It also has keyless go, so you don't have to put the key in the slot. It's just got that fob there, so you can use that button to lock it and unlock it, obviously when the ignition's off. So yeah, absolutely amazing car, incredible spec. I suspect this car was a car that was in the showroom to demonstrate all of these amazing optional features you could get. So it's covered 48,458 miles. There's 3 previous owners from new. It has a cruise control system as well. When you put it in the different modes, it will show on the dash as well, including the chassis. So in terms of servicing, it was serviced in April. It's got full Porsche main dealer service history, all from one main dealer, Porsche Exeter, and then the last service was at La Rose Porsche. So that won't show you anything. Let's see service intervals. The next major service is due April 2028. The next minor is due April 2026. April 2026 for the oil change as well. But this screen, you can also see different things on there. So you've got tyre pressures, Sport Chrono, the G-forces, all available to view on there, as well as the map. And then obviously you've got that PCM system, which works fantastically. You can also retrofit CarPlay into this if you want to, but it does have Bluetooth audio streaming and it has the full phone connectivity as well. As it is, I'll just run through the options just to make sure that I haven't missed anything. It's got PADM, so that's Porsche Active Drivetrain mounts. That comes with Sport Chrono Package Plus, so the drivetrain mounts stiffen and slacken depending on which drive mode you've got it on. Switchable sports exhaust, PTV Plus, rain sensing wipers, so auto wipers, seat heating, cruise control, tyre pressure monitor, 2-zone. So all of those bits I've explained. Oh, it's got the LED light design package, so it's got this light bar here, and it's also got lighting in the footwells, which, believe it or not, was an option. You had to pay for that, as well as obviously the LEDs in those mirrors, visors, sun visors. It's got park assist front and rear, the tilt and slide sunroof, extended navigation, so it's UK and Europe navigation on here. Oh, it's also got the extra ISOFIX points on the passenger seat. That's quite an unusual option, so you can fit a car seat if you wanted to in the front seat there, and also it's got them in the back, so they unclip, and then you've got the hoops there. I'll just show you the rear section there. So that's all you get to see of the engine. It does have a spoiler that comes up as well. So that's a spoiler up. And that comes up itself at 70 and goes down at around 50. There's the front boot. So it has tyre gel in that side. Then it has the screwdriver, spanner, locking wheel bolt, headlight adjustment tool, emergency sunroof close as well, and a towing eye there. And then we've just fitted a brand new battery under here. And there's a Porsche tyre compressor under that section there. So there's a Bosch start-stop battery there. We've just fitted and programmed up to the car correctly. So there it is, beautiful 911 Carrera S. The Carrera S's are fitted with the 3.8 litre flat 6, produces 400 horsepower, 325 foot-pound of torque. It'll do 60 in around 4.2 seconds, so incredibly fast car. It's obviously rear-wheel drive, and with all those extra bits, the Porsche dynamic chassis control, the PTV Porsche torque vectoring, it is a sensational car to drive and own. Looks great in that basalt black metallic. We've machine polished and waxed the car as well. Then you can see the little parking sensors there, and there's the same on the front as well. It is an epic car, and such an unusual and rare spec on this car with everything it's got thrown at it. I doubt I'll ever see another one with all of those bits on it. So there you have it, this beautiful 911 Carrera S 991 Gen 1 2012 model year, ready to be enjoyed by a new owner. If you are interested in the car, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.